Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, although it's been a while, but that's where these green lines are coming from. The last time I did the analysis, I was talking about the bear pull and just the overall bearish pattern, and that has since played out, and especially played out today as the price really took a plunge to the downside. So the first thing I'm going to do is a little update here and just clean out these lines. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So one of the near-term levels of support, and there's nothing, huge behind this in terms of complications, but the low of today, because that's where the bleeding stopped, becomes the level of support to keep an eye on, and that is right there at the $3 mark. So the nice round number of $3, definitely going to be that key area of support going forward. We may have to go to another time frame here because it's been such a long time since the price has been down in this area. So let's just go to the daily time frame real quick. That way we can all still see the chart somewhat. There we go. So in the event the $3 mark does not hold, the next key level of support to keep an eye on would be down here right around $2.70. So $3 and then $2.70 are going to be the next couple areas of support, assuming this downwards momentum continues. And as you see right here on the daily chart, biggest volume since back here in late June. In this situation, it was all selling volume, with the push to the downside. So let's go back to the 30-minute time frame here, and now we can talk about some areas of resistance. So if this does indeed start to bounce, where are some of these key battlegrounds at? First level of resistance on any sort of bounce going to be right up here around $3.25. If the price can push through there, next key level after $3.25, then up at $3.45, and then more so from kind of the overarching point of view as far as resistances, keep an eye on that purple line right there. That is the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move, so it'll be moving downwards and getting more and more relevant. But it's kind of irrelevant right now at this point in time because first the price needs to clear up above these initial areas of resistance right here. So definitely a pretty brutal day today, but this one has had some nice bounces in the past, so maybe something like that is getting ready to take shape. We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.